Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a hardware video. This is an Amiga related hardware video. This is an extremely exciting unboxing, for me at least. This package has been on the way to me for a very long time. I actually had it one time, but they didn't tell me it was at the post office for me to pick up, so it got returned. That was wonderful. But they resent it, and it's here now, so everything is good. So let's see here. I turned the case the right way, the package the right way, so you can see it. Yeah, my new Amiga 1200 case. It's wonderful. There we go. A dear backer thing is the Amiga 1200 Scoopex case from the famous Kickstarter project, and they're gonna make keycaps as well. Supported that one as well and waiting for those. Scoopex mouse mat. Admittedly not of the highest quality, but at least it looks cool. Okay. I have a music tracker. That's pretty nice. Here. Let's just take out all the stuff here. And a t-shirt. The Scoopex Eagle. Like that. Time will tell if it's good quality after it's been through the washing machine a couple of times. That looks nice. Yeah. Man, what's this in here? Oh, just oh, maybe it's for beer. I don't know. It says drink responsibly, so probably something to do with alcohol, but well, you can use it for anything. What is this? Stickers. It's for the this one to put here. It's pretty nice. Don't know what that paper is for. An eject button for the floppy drive to match. I'm not sure I'm gonna use any of these because I'm gonna use the normal RGB port. Anyway, so the Scoopex case is dark gray on the top and transparent at the bottom. So I'm gonna put some light. Somehow put some light at the bottom here. Some LEDs that change color or something. That could be nice. Oh yeah, it looks very nice. I'm gonna take it apart. A long screw, some long screws at the back. This one is a bit bent. I don't know if you can see that when I twist it around. I don't know how bad that is. Okay. And it's got these nice rubber feet. Got a nice feel to them. And this back plate, I'm not gonna go find a screwdriver to get it out, but it's got venting holes in them. Pretty nice. Okay. So you can see it's got these metal inserts here, so you don't screw the screws directly into plastic. It's got those all around. That's pretty nice. And it's got a pre-cut out here, and a mounting point to install the display for the what's it called? Some floppy emulator display. HXC, I think it's called. So it looks very nice. And there's a poster in here as well. Not a big one, but it's pretty cool. Especially if you put it in a frame or something. Got a slight damage here on the edge, but nothing major. That is it. I think I am gonna I think I am gonna put my Amiga in here now. So this is my current Amiga 1200. The stuff inside is from an original Commodore model, and the outside here is the case, an SCOM case. That's why it's so white compared to the keys. It's a pretty nice case. It looks very nice. Okay, let's put it in here, and this came with it as well. I think it's some washer things to put over here and over here for something. This case supports the Raspberry Pi, and I think the Minimake, but don't quote me on that. So it's a very versatile case. Let's put it in here. It's very pretty. I've been really cutting into this. Let's see if I can change that eject button on the floppy drive. No, I don't think I can do it. I think it's the wrong one. And now that I talk about it, I remember them producing some other eject buttons that will come later, because they're totally different in design here. So I'm gonna put it aside, and here's the old one still. There. It's on again. Okay. It looks very good. Gonna put that sticker on there now. There. Yeah. That went well. It's more or less in the middle. So this looks great. This is gonna be so pretty with the matching Scoopex keys. It looks a little funny with these keys also, since they have been yellowed by the sun over time. But the black keys, with the black keys, it's gonna look beautiful. Gonna look like this. Well, that's pretty, I think. So let's hook it up. Alright, got it all hooked up now. And I'll admit, that could look worse. It looks very nice. Now I've noticed some small white stuff up here, like right there. It doesn't come out. Yeah, you can see it there. And it's a few places around on that grill. I don't know if it's fair to complain about that. All in all, it looks very good actually. And you can see through here. And it looks good with that mouse mat, which I am probably not gonna use. It depends. I don't like the flimsy mouse mats, but I don't know. The quality is not that good, but it looks nice. Certainly looks nice, and with a black mouse on it. Gonna turn it on and see. Ah. Works as it should. But that was to be expected, of course. So that was it for this unboxing video, unboxing and then some video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, feel free to give it a thumbs up and get subscribed. Other than that, I hope you're having a great day, people. Bye bye.